The admin interface provides some overall information without logging into the main system, in mobile-friendly interfaces. Click Admins in the login page. Enter your login ID, password and authentication code, and click Login. Authentication code is the 2FA code obtained from Intel SysAssist app. These are the available summaries. Doctor's performance is selected by default. To list all visits, specify the year, period, the doctor and click View Visit Details. The visits for the specified period will be listed here. The primary doctor, charges and consultation duration will be listed for each visit. Click the visit to see the details. These are the history and examination notes in that visit. The vital signs and diagnosis recorded will be listed here. Investigations, procedures, injections and medicines given in this visit will be listed here. Clicking the item here will show more details. Details of the clicked item will be shown like this. MCs, time slips and referrals/memos will be listed here. This shows how this visit was charged. In this example, RM22 has been charged under panel. The panel will be shown here. Collections will list the sales details. Specify the year, period and click View Collections to list the sales. These are the sales figures. The numbers within brackets are the number of visits. Panel invoices will list the panel invoices. Specify the year, period, panel and click View Panel Invoices to list the invoices. The panel's invoices for the selected period will be listed like this. Each of this box represents one invoice. This is the invoice number. And these are the invoiced amount and amount collected. Make sure to log out once done. That's it, you're done.